Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make a Lomo Photography preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started.
Can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are when you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to -0.36. Contrast to -23. Highlights to +15. Shadows to -70. And blacks to -10. If you're done, go to color. Adjust the temperature to +10. Tint to +16. Vibrance +21. And the saturation to +2. If you're done, go to color mix. Red. Hue to -23. Saturation to -20. And the luminance to +14. Orange. Hue to -6. Saturation to -4. And the luminance to +6. Yellow. Hue to -34. And saturation to -2. Green. And saturation to -10. Hue to -6. Aqua. Hue to -100. Saturation to -89. And the luminance to -100. Blue. Hue to -10. And saturation to -2. Purple. Adjust the hue to +65. If you finished, click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +10. Clarity to -4. Vignette to -59. And the feather to +80. And roundness to -14. Then go to split tone. Scale up the highlights and shadows as shown. Click Done. And last, go to Detail. Adjust the sharpening to +10. noise reduction to +10, and color noise reduction to +10. And done. This is before and after. And now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos. You can justify a little bit if needed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Bye.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I